everyone, this is Tanya Sharma, Femina Miss India Uttar Pradesh 2023, and I'm super excited to have received my Colorbar Hamper. I can't wait to see what's inside, and I'm sure you're excited as well. I'm super excited for my Colorbar Hamper. Let's see what's inside. Do you think that's it? It's not. I have many products here. They say eyes are the doorway to heaven. Mine sure are today. I can't wait to try all these products, which are going to be my best pals in the pageant. Thanks Colorbar for curating this hamper for my grooming needs. I love this.